Do you want to know what affiliate marketing is? Well, I'll tell you what it is. You promote other people's products, and whenever you make a sale, you make a commission on the sale. That was the 20-second, very quick explanation of what it is. Watch this entire video if you want to get more details and if you want to know how you can do this and make money with it. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I'm very glad you decided to stick around for the rest of this video. On this channel, I publish content all around making money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. I try to bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make a success online. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss videos every time I publish every week. So in this video, I'm going to answer this question: what is affiliate marketing and how does it work, right? So as I said in the beginning, affiliate marketing is basically where you recommend other people's products. You don't have to create a product. Someone else has created this product. You recommend it, and whenever you make a sale, you make a commission on that sale, right? Affiliate marketing is what I do, so I have experience of it and I know that it works. So you might be wondering, well, what are these products? What do you mean by products, right? What I mean by products is it can be anything. It can be physical products. It can be digital products. It can even be services, right? So by physical products, I mean it can be a book. It can be a telephone. It can be a pen. It can be a television. It can be anything, right? By digital products, I mean a good example of this would be a course, for example, a digital online course, right? And the service, for instance, could be a counseling service, right? All these are products that you could recommend, and if you sell them whenever you make a sale, you would make a commission on the sale. So the great thing about affiliate marketing is you don't have to worry about creating a product. Okay, basically you find products that are good and you recommend them. And that makes it really way easier, especially when you're starting out, right? You don't have to have the whole headache of trying to think of something and create it. You can find something that works and promote it. So now how does this work practically, right? In practice, because you might be wondering, well, how do I actually do that, right? So what happens is you find products that you like and you decide to recommend them, and you get what is called an affiliate link, right? So an affiliate link is like a little code really that you have, and then you're going to share this code, right? Share this link with people. When people click on this link, as I say, there's sort of a little code that tracks back the products, that links the product to you, right? So if the person buys that product, the creator of the product will be able to track that sale back to you, right? I know it may sound a little bit complicated, but honestly, it's not. In fact, I have 2 videos at least that show you how it's done. It's not complicated. Now, you may be wondering, well, how do I find the products to promote, right? So now the good news is that many products have affiliate programs linked to them, right? We might not know of them, but actually they do. So, if you want to promote a particular product, you can always reach out to the creators of the product and see if they've got an affiliate program, right? Otherwise, you can find a ton of products on some very big platforms like Amazon. I mean, Amazon is the best known one, right? It doesn't come with great commissions, Amazon, I'm afraid, but it's an easy place to start, right? There are tons of products on Amazon that you can recommend. And there are certain conditions with Amazon, okay? You do have to have a kind of platform, either a website or a Facebook page or a YouTube channel or somewhere where you're publishing content. These are all details that you could get into if if you wanted to go down that road, okay? But it's a fairly easy place to start. There are other platforms where you can find digital products to promote, like ClickBank is a very well-known one, and I have a video as well, just up there, that explains to you how you would go about that. Again, if you want to promote a service, like I'm thinking of a counseling service that I knew of at one point. I used them for myself, right, when I needed counseling. Well, they had an affiliate program. So if I went on to recommend them to somebody, I could sign up to their affiliate program and simply recommend it, okay? So these are just a few examples, okay? The trick is to find products that you want to recommend, and then find out if they have an affiliate program, right? Now, how does it work, right? Because you might be thinking, well, it's all very well, okay, so I find products and I get my links, but then how exactly do I tell the world, okay? And that's a very good question, if you have that question. So what you basically do is you establish a presence somewhere, right? If you're on Facebook, for instance, you can gradually grow your Facebook friends base, and you can maybe have a group or something like that, and you can start recommending your products there, right? If you have a YouTube channel, same thing, right? You can base a YouTube channel around in a certain niche, right, and recommend certain products. You can, of course, have a blog or a website, right? So obviously, if you want to make a business out of it, you are going to have to establish a presence somewhere. You are going to have to grow on one online platform. But that could be, as I said, Facebook, a blog, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, wherever, really. The trick is to pick one platform and really establish a presence there. But as long as you can do that, affiliate marketing really is a very simple model, okay? It's a very easy way to get started online, because as I was saying, you don't need to create your own product. You don't need to invest a ton of money, right, in buying stock or inventory the way you would if you had, I don't know, if you were in e-commerce or something like that. So it's a low-risk business model, and that's why many of us start with that, especially if we are wanting to make money online as a side hustle, right? It's not our main business. We either have a job, or we have a busy family life, or whatever. We just want to make a little bit of extra money online. It's a really good place to start. So I'm coming to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will just say one thing. If you want to succeed in affiliate marketing, please make sure you always recommend products that you have tried, that you have tested. Really make sure you do this the right way, right? Don't just get links to products that are going to give you a good commission and not care about the quality of the product. Always promote products that you personally believe in. That is really the right way to do it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please make sure you give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to take this a bit further, because this was a very simple overview video, right? If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and about how you can make it work for you, I have some free training. I've partnered with my mentor. I have some free training. Just check the description below this video. Click on the link Official Sophie Bide. That will give you access to some free training. It will also put you in direct contact with me through email. You'll be able to join my Facebook group. You'll be able to have access to me and ask me any question that you may have. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.